Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
Here I'm mostly investing in women-based organizations and especially with the veterinary sector, handicrafts, sustainable products, sustainable industries and software industries also.
I'm not here to teach you the business but help you to scale up the businesses, existing businesses, and that is the whole reason to call the investors from different domains, from diverse backgrounds to help you and support in a big way. Because when we talk about the women in India, they constitute only 2% in the investment circle, 11% in the entire startup ecosystem. So that's a very minimal average thing which we hold in this male-dominated society.
Read and understood and followed startup policy from Kerala to Karnataka to Telangana and Andhra, Gujarat, Delhi, and formulated Rajasthan startup policy. I feel the startup policy map here is totally lacking the teeth. It lacks. It is so cumbersome and it lacks execution and vision.
The government of Goa, through the Department of IT, is implementing one startup scheme, which is specifically for the IT startups. So they do provide some kind of seed capital and funding, and however, we also see that there is no sector agnostic scheme for startups, which is the much need of the hour.